Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today video is about
trailer brake assemblies.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
A dual-axle, four-wheel, manual, or self-adjusting brake drum kit. What's included? Our brake drum kit is a complete kit which includes 4 12-inch drums, 6 or 8 lugs, 4 12-inch manual or self-adjusting brake plates, all hardware, new bearings, bearing seals, dust covers with rubber plugs, and complete sets of new lug nuts, with each component being backed by our in-house 2-year parts warranty. Hope this helps with your purchasing decision, and thank you for choosing eCustom Hitch.
What's going on, guys? This is Taylor at Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK550 ELE Auto. It's going to be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with 5-on-5 bolt circle with self-adjusting brakes. See right here, this is the box you get it in. Got a nice logo on it. Got our 2 smaller boxes down in here. Everything will come in nice and neat. Make sure you put it around there and shipping. We'll open our smaller boxes here. See right here, got our 2-rod hub and drum with our 1/2-inch zinc coated studs, and the way we measure the bolt pattern is stud to next closest stud, center to center, and on this one it's going to be 3 inches. The races are already pressed in, as you can see. Then we have our backing plate right here. This is going to be our TrueRide backing plate. Magnets are already installed. It's got our TrueRide inspected sticker down in here that'll also tell us left hand, right hand. We can see on this one, it's got this cord right here. That's going to tell us that it's self-adjusting. And what this allows us to do is that as we go, the brake pads will automatically adjust out as they're used so that they stay the same distance from the hub and drum. On this side, we'll pull our small parts out. We got our other hub and drum, our other backing plate. So in this kit, you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we have our bearings. So you'll get an inner and an outer for each side. And you can see right here, our inners are going to be the 68149 and our outers are going to be the 44649. Our outers are just going to pop in right here, and our inners are going to pop in right there. We have our lug nuts. We're going to get 10 of these. We got our hardware for the backing plates. We're going to get 8 nuts and 8 washers. See right here, you'll slip these through the plate on the axle. Slip your washer on behind it, and your lug nut on behind, or your nut on behind that. You're good to go. Then we have our seals. You'll get 1 for each side. And the way these work is you'll slip your inner bearing in, and then you'll put your seal on right behind it, just like that. Then we have our castle nuts and cotter pins. And most guys won't send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure that you guys get everything you need for your kit. So you'll slip your castle nut onto your spindle, slip your cotter pin through, hold it nice and neat on there. And then you're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason that we give you 4 is you can see 2 are going to have this hole in it, and 2 are going to be solid. This is going to be for your easy loop spindle, and this is going to be for your regular spindle. We can see the easy loop spindles are going to come with the rubber cap. You can see it's already installed on this one. And they are also going to come with these tang washers. Now these tang washers do replace the cotter pins for the easy loop spindles. The regular spindles are going to come with your regular cap and your regular washer. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching. That was the BK550 ELE-Auto.